Did you know that just minutes away from the busy attractions of Orlando, there's a peaceful place where the water moves slowly, tall trees create natural shade, and the sounds of the city fade away? Today, we're visiting Shingle Creek Regional Park, Orlando, a quiet nature escape that shows a completely different side of the Orlando area. As you explore the park, you'll find peaceful trails perfect for walking or biking, calm waterways where people enjoy kayaking, and open green spaces where families relax and reconnect with nature. It's the kind of place where you can take a break from busy park days and simply enjoy the quiet surroundings. And the best part is that peaceful places like this are just a short drive from our vacation pool home, making it easy to explore the area and return to a comfortable space designed for relaxing together. Our vacation pool home offers spacious living areas, comfortable bedrooms for large groups, a private pool and spa for relaxing evenings, and a fun game room where everyone can enjoy time together after a day of exploring the Orlando area. Whether you're starting the day with coffee by the pool, returning from a nature walk at Shingle Creek, or spending the evening playing games and watching movies, the home is designed to make every moment of your trip feel easy and enjoyable. If you're planning your trip to the Orlando area, this beautiful home is just a short drive from attractions, nature parks, and everything Central Florida has to offer. Book your stay today and make this comfortable vacation pool home your home base for exploring Orlando.